Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday, October 13, flagged off the 4th Vande Bharat Express. The new Vande Bharat train will run between Una and New Delhi railway station. It will originate from Amb Andora railway station in Una district of Himachal Pradesh. The new Vande Bharat train is an advanced version compared to the earlier ones, being much lighter and capable of reaching higher speed in shorter duration. The improved Vande Bharat Express will weigh 392 tons compared to the previous version of 430 tons. The train is slotted between Una Delhi section and will have halt at Nangal Dam, Chandigarh, Ambala and New Delhi. The train will attain a speed of 130 km per hour on Delhi-Ambala sections, 110 km per hour at Ambala-Chandigarh section, 100 km per hour on Chandigarh-Morinda section, 110 km on Morinda-Una section and 100 km per hour in Una-Amb Andora section.